So we gonna talk about stuff that black people do. Okay, speaking of stuff black people do, what you patting your head for what?
Cause it itch.
Okay, so why you can't just scratch your head?
What black person do you see going around going like this?
Okay, but for real, my head's itch though, for real.
No, we don't do that. We get a whole area.
We sure don't. And then black women, when we gotta run in our stocking or something, go get the nail polish. Y'all got some clear nail polish? You got some clear nail polish? Yeah, you need to coat your hands for a little. Recoat your nails. No, I gotta run in the back of my stocking.
No.
On the right side.
No, the guy talking about you peed on yourself.
That video. You pee on yourself? You pee on yourself?
How old are you?
How old are you?
You still pee on yourself? You pee on yourself? Go get my belt.
Go get my belt.
Go get myself.
How
old are you? How old are you? Wipe your own butt.
You stink.
Tell me wipe your butt. Wipe your own butt.
Wipe your own butt. You stink.
Nothing black people do. I'm hungry. Did you just eat yesterday?
Like what? Parents, what does that mean? Like, do you just want to feed us just once every other day? Every other day?
Only eat.
Oh, hold on. Back in my day.
Oh my God.
Back in my day, I had to walk 50 feet to go to the bathroom.
Back in my day, we did sit-ins. Well, it looks like we don't have to do sit-ins no more.
If I want to go to Denny's and get a plate, I'm gonna go to Denny's and get a plate. What do I have to sit outside in a chair?
If they ask me to move to a booth, I'm not going to be like, oh, this is the black section. And you're like, okay.
Okay, we're going to move to the booth because there's no one to cover this table is why they want us to move. Not because we're black.
And why does everything have to be so racial all the time?
Everything is it because I'm black? Is it because I'm sitting over here and I'm black?
I asked a white person, can you hand me a chocolate milk?
Oh, is it because I'm black?
Why don't you like white milk? Like, it's so good, nutritional, and like there's no added preservatives, and you don't like totally get fat because
it's not a race thing.
Duck, who are you?
It's Duck. Come on now, Duck. Who are you? It's not a race thing. It's not a race thing. I own a white t-shirt not because I love white people.
Right.
Because it's breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer awareness. Not because I like white people.
Cookie Monster don't discriminate against nobody.
No, he don't.
All I like is cookies.
Actually, they don't call him Cookie Monster anymore, which is another thing. His name is Carrot Monster, but the thing is, they want to make children more healthy. Is what they're trying to get their mindset. Just because you put a little Cookie Monster and then you change him to Carrot Monster doesn't mean kids are just gonna want carrots. That's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna go to I want something sweet. I want some carrots.
Like,
no.
Oh, yeah.
No one climbs up on the counter to sneak to the carrot jar.
I'm gonna be turning around talking about put that carrot down.
Get out the carrot jar. No one does that. You don't have to sneak carrots. What? What you got behind your back? A carrot?
A baby.
Oh, you're getting a whooping. What? For a carrot? It's a carrot.
In that case, Cookie Monster is no longer blue. He's orange.
He's orange. Not
saying that cookies are blue.
Not saying that at all. It just, blue is a very, cheerful color,
It's
and cookies make you happy. It's a cookie color.
I think I like
It's a cookie color. It's a cookie color. The thing is, like, what we're letting our children listen to and watch on TV these days are changing their whole mindset on things. Yeah. They want to be more accepting to things. Children are the most accepting people in the world. They don't need to be more accepting. They don't need to broaden their horizons. They accept everything. If they see you don't. If they see you eat off the floor, they're not going to say, oh, you just ate off the floor. They're going to say, can I have some?
Well, 5-second rule is up.
Can I have some? Is what they're going to do. If they see you drop 5 pieces of candy on the floor, they're going to go for that candy. They don't care that there's halitosis on the floor. Wait, halitosis is when you don't brush your teeth.
Exit that out.
Yeah, we're not gonna edit this video.
These little termites, crawling across the floor.
They don't care if a spider is right next to that cookie. They will eat that. They don't care if a spider just crawled off the cookie and laid eggs. Them children will eat the eggs. Some children will eat the eggs and the cookie.
Caviar cookie.
Kids don't care. Kids don't care. Kids don't care if you white, black, Asian, nothing. Kids will be kids and will play with and will eat off the floor wherever they want to eat.
They will tell the truth. If it's funky, you better not breathe in my little brother's face. He gonna tell you.
He will let you know.
He gonna be like, I'm gonna need you not to help me when my mouth don't work no more till you find you some Crest toothpaste.
Crest, you know what?
I'm Aquafina, orange kind. Bubble it up.
We have to end on that note. We're gonna have to end on that note. It's gonna look.